Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever I upload new videos. When you are ready to face an interview for Java, in most interviews, the starting question will be about Java string. Let's begin. First question is, what is a string? Data type or not? String is a class in Java and it's defined in java.lang package. It represents sequence of character values. It's a finer class. String is an immutable object, which means it is a constant which cannot be changed once it has been created. String is not a data type in Java. Next question is, how many ways we can create a string object and how? There is two ways you can create the string object in Java. First one using string literal. Example, string s equal to hello. S double quotes the value. Next one, by using the new operator. We are create, for example, string s equal to new string and the parameter is hello. It's constructor we are passing the value. Next question, difference between using string literal and using a new operator in terms of storage. Whenever you are creating any object in string literal, it will be stored in the string constant pool, that is the SCP. But if you are creating through new operator, then it will created in heap memory. Next question is, what is a string constant pool? It's a type of memory and it's maintained by JVM. It's located inside the heap. String pool will store the unique values. Whenever you are assigning you are creating any string object using string literal, JVM first check that values exist in the string pool or not. If not, it will create the object. Otherwise, it will return the reference of that value. And string constant pool does not contain the duplicate values. Next question, how many objects we can create by using the new keyword? For this statement, the statement is like string name2 equal to new string value is new Java. We are passing the constructor new Java. It will create two objects, one in heap and another one string constant pool. If already exists that new Java in the string constant pool, it does not create that object. Let's understand through the example, through the diagram. This is the heap memory. First, it will create in the string constant pool. Instead of creating inside the heap memory, it will create the new Java in the string constant pool. Before creating that value in the string constant pool, JVM will check if that value is already exist or not. If not, it will create the object. Otherwise, it will just give the reference of that value. And another object is creating in the inside the heap. It's not inside in the string constant pool. There is two objects is created here. Next question, how many objects are created using string literal? For example, after executing these four statements, how many objects will get created? The answer is only one object is created. Because as you know that string constant pool does not contain the duplicate values. Let's understand through the diagram. This is the Java heap memory. Inside the Java heap memory, we have string constant pool. First, string s1 equal to Java. JVM will check that Java is exist or not in the constant pool. it does not contain, then it will create the object. After that, string s2 equal to Java, s3 equal to Java, s4 equal to Java, then it does not create that object. Instead, rather than creating that object, it's just referring that value. That's it. So that it will create only one object for this statement. This is the summary of the string constant pool and heap memory. String letters are stored in the string constant pool. It does not contain the duplicate. It just shares the common memory array to the same content. For heap memory, it will, whenever you are creating through new operator, it will forcefully you to create the object inside the heap memory. Each object is different addresses, different references. Next question, how to store a string from heap to string constant pool. By using the inter method of string class, we can store the heap memory value to the string constant pool. For example, string str equal to new string code. Code will create in the heap memory, does not create in the string constant pool. If you want to create that value inside the string constant pool, then you need to use the method called inter. str.inter, it will store that value inside the string constant pool. Let's see, I have created one sample example program. You can understand through the this is the normal class string constant pool. Let's have main method. First I have created name1 equal to Java. This is type of string literal. It's not using new operator. We have created using string literal. First JVM will check inside the string constant pool if the value of Java is already exist or not. The first statement, it does not contain that Java value inside the string constant pool. It will create that object inside the string constant pool. Next time, string name2 equal to Java. JVM will check inside the string constant pool. The Java value is already exist or not. Yeah, it's exist. So it won't create the new object. Rather, it just referring that value. After executing these three statements, it will create only one object inside the string constant pool. The fourth statement, we are creating the object through new operator. So Java, we are passing the value, constructor value as Java. It will create whether it is not exist or not. It won't check in the string constant pool. Rather, it will create inside the heap memory. So it will create one object here. Similar, line number 28 also, it will create another object. So after executing these all statements, after running this application, you will get only 3 objects. One in the string constant pool and remaining 2 are in the heap memory. Let's understand through the diagram. This is the heap memory. Name1, name2, name3 just referring same value inside the constant pool. But name4 and name5. Name4 means we are creating object through the using new operator. Name5 also we are creating object using through new operator. So it will create inside heap memory. Total we have 3 objects for that application, for that main class. It will, after executing these application, you will get 3 objects. Next question is, how can we check string contents that are same or not, and two string point to the same object or not? There is a method called equals. By using the equals method, we can compare the string values, string contents. If you are using double equal operator, it will compare the references but not the contents of the strings. Let's understand through the example. Already I have created one example. For example, system dot out print name 1 equal to name 2. Double equal is refers to the, it will compare through the references, not the string values. Here will return true because it will refer same objects here. And here, if I use compare with the name 1 with name 3, then also it will return true because it will refer only one objects. And next, if I compare with name 1 to 4, it will return false because this name is pointing to different object, name 4 is pointing to different object, so it will get the output as false. If you are pass checking name 1, name 4 to name 5, let's name 4 to name 5, then also it will return false because name 1 is pointing to different object, name 5 also pointing to different object, so it will return false. If I copy this one, let me check, let me use equals method. Now we are using the method called equals instead of string class. It's not string. It's not a string object of, this method is not object of string class, it's the object of object class. Equals is used to compare the string values of both string. So name 1 dot equals to name 2. The value of the name 1 and name 2 are same, so it will return true. And next statement, name 1 equals to name 3. Yes, so it will return true. Third statement, name 1 equals to name 4. Name 4 contains Java value is Java, and name 1 contains Java. So it will return true only because it just comparing to string values but not their references. Even fourth statement also we are getting true only. Let me run that program. Right, I'll run here. See, this is the output. True, true, false, 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 true, true, true. All are getting true. Just I make alignment so that you understand. Let me run again. Yeah, it will return same what we expected in the commented value. Thanks for watching. If you find useful this video, please share and like this video.